Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the Jack Ma, why he had missing from the China from last 3 months and why always high profile people are missing from the China. Jack Ma, the billionaire of the China who had been missing from the last 3 months by giving statement against the Chinese communist government and their banks. But by his comeback, the shares of the Alibaba company has been become normal in the Hong Kong share market, and some of the companies in the India has been also become happy by his comeback. Many of the people thought that Jack Ma cannot be come back, he might be dead or killed by the anyone. But by his comeback, many of the companies in the all over the world had been become happy by his comeback. The reason behind why the Jack Ma has been missing from the China from last 3 months, let's take a glance over it. At January 20, the video which had been came out from the Chinese government news channel had made the Alibaba group of companies shares to be increased at 6% at the Hong Kong share market. By seeing all this, the shareholders and the investors who had been invested on the Alibaba group of companies has become very happy on that day. The Jack Ma, who is the owner of the giant company, will make some of the charities in the China by giving some of the advices to the students and the teachers of the village schools in the China. But due to his disappearance in this year, there was a doubt of making that program. But by his comeback, which has been displayed in the government media channels of the China, by them it is clear that he is still alive. As per the conversation made by the students and the teachers virtually, it had been confirmed that he is still alive. But we don't know actually where he is still there. The reason why he has been disappeared from the China because he raised voice against the Chinese bank and their ruling systems. By this, he has been disappeared from the China. And the public offerings given to the Ant company has been cancelled and the many investigations against the Alibaba group of companies has been started. The people, whoever will talk against the Chinese government will either be arrested or be disappeared from the China. But we don't know that it may be the rules of that government. The people who are talking against that may be the film actors, entrepreneurs, doctors, nurses or any other real estate members or any shareholders of the Hong Kong share market will either be arrested or be disappeared. Let's check out one by one people who had been either disappeared or arrested from the Chinese government. In 2015, Gao Bangchon, who has been disappeared from the airport without any of the reasons. But the reason behind is that he has been talking about the Chinese communist government from last 2012. But when he come back, he said that he was making some of the help to the police of some of the investigation to the Chinese police. So he had been disappeared. The other one is the celebrity that is Fan Bingbing, who has been arrested in 2018 by giving the reason of the income tax fraud to the government. But she was released after 4 months by the continuous strikes of her fans and the request of the many persons of the China. In 2018, the real estate tycoon that is Wen Zhengqing was arrested by the raising voice against the Chinese government. In the same year, that is Interpol officer Meng Hagwei has been arrested by the corruption assault, but he was the only Chinese Interpol officer who has been appointed to the Interpol section, but he was fired out by the communist government. But the Jack Ma, who is the public figure in the China, has been come back. By his comeback, the Alibaba company has been come back to the normal stage. Let's see what will happen in the future days. If you like this video, then hit the like button. For more updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.